that technology so that we are much more efficient.
Community involvement is definitely one of the key areas that is focused when it comes to border control management. And I'm just wondering, are there specific strategies or initiatives that are aligned to community involvement that you're exploring?
Not just exploring. As we speak, there exist a lot of community engagement efforts that goes on, starting with what we are doing within the structure of the National Government Administration officers. So you are having the chiefs, you're having the assistant chiefs, and you're having the village elders. So they form what we are calling the peace committees at the very local level. And what this helps is with regards to not just informing and disseminating what the government is doing, but also it offers a forum where we are able to pick from the various communities what some of their issues are, what some of their concerns are. And this helps also beyond addressing the security challenges in the context of movement across borders and also illicit trade, then it becomes very handy. So that then it's the softer part of what we are doing as a government, and there is a need for us to continuously invest in this. As we speak today, we are having engagements with a number of partners. One of those, of course, is IOM. We are also having bilateral engagements with other development partners like the UK government, the American government, so that then we are able to engage the communities around the border counties. This also speaks to our engagement with the county governments, because they also have a role to play. So you are involving the elected leadership, but also involving the communities. Yes.
Last year, Bona PS, you were quoted as saying